morning, sir.
Good morning. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What we have here is a variable voltage source which can vary the voltage. And as you can see from here, the voltage goes from 1 volt right up to 100 200 volts. Yes. And this voltage source is going to be fed to these lamps, the two lamps which we call as loads. So there is one plug here and the other plug which goes here, and as I vary the voltage you can see the lamps glow brighter and brighter. Yeah. So now the output voltage is about 110 volts, which is the nominal voltage for the US applications. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick two units. One is what we call as the standard protection off the shelf from Best Buy or Circuit City, and the second one what we call as Innovolt's complete protection, which is our CVSS, and we are going to insert those two devices in series with my two loads.
You put the paper in there, right?
And again do the same thing. I'm going to increase my voltage from 1 volt, and as you can see, when the voltage goes up to about 20-24 volts, the load which is protected by the standard TVSS is actually unprotected. It is still getting the power even at an under voltage which is 35 volts, whereas the load which is fed from the CVSS is protected and is decoupled from the supply, because Innovolt's complete protection unit detects that there is something abnormal about the voltage and decouples the voltage from the load. And as the voltage clamps up and gets into the nominal range, which is around 110 volts, the CVSS will detect that the voltage came back to nominal and it will turn on the load. So Innovolt's complete protection does look for the voltage, and if it is abnormal, if it is under voltage, if it is below a specified value, it will turn off the load and completely protect the sensitive equipment. So the next experiment we are going to do is basically go for over voltage, and we are going to start with the traditional standard protection unit, the TVSS. So as you know, with the standard protection, which is actually no protection at under voltage, even if the voltage is about 45 volts, the lamp is glowing, which means the power is flowing into my load. Now as it goes to nominal voltage, it is glowing. Now when I go up, what we are expecting to happen is the TVSS, the standard protection device, will start to fade.
Smells like something's burning.
Okay, so basically what has happened is the protection devices inside the standard protection have failed, and we'll open this in a minute, but we want to demonstrate that same conditions for Innovolt's complete protection device, which is the CVSS.
And how much did that one last till?
This one lasted for about 2 seconds
At what voltage?
at about 170 volts. So now I'm going to increase the voltage again. So you can see the voltage is 40 volts. That's why the lamp wouldn't come in until the voltage reaches 110 volts. And then if I start increasing the voltage, it will automatically turn off and protect my load. So if I go to even 200 volts, my load is completely protected and my CVSS unit is intact.
All right, great.